How you doing, everybody? This is Jehoiadak Maccabeus Everyday Survival. I hope everybody's doing well out there. I'm doing all right. I've been on a week ban on YouTube. They gave me a strike last Sunday night for that video where the guy was saying he hated the right side and he hated the 45th, and you got the wrong guy. Put that little short up as like a 7-second short, and they said I was supporting violent criminal organizations. Odd. Everything's odd. Anyway, this is a rabbit hutch I built. If you follow my channel, you know I got a bunch of rabbits, and I'm doing them in a colony type setup. And I got 3 or 4 bucks in there, so I've got to have some pens to put the bucks in. Got to clean some of them out. They're pretty violent with each other in a zombie apocalypse sort of way, but or a prison gang way. Here, I'll just turn it around. Maybe up too close. This is the hutch. I just attached it to the side of the building there. I used all saplings and smaller trees that I cut down here off my property out of the yard. Get somewhere where I can step back away from it. There it is. All salvage material or scavenged material. That roll down there, I got that in 2017 when I was building a pole barn. They had a extra, they call it bird wire, but they gave me a roll of it. And get up here closer so you can see some of the artwork of it. All these sticks like that, and them short ones on the back and there, the ones on the end, on the inside there, all them are what holds the wire in place. I did use 3.5-inch torque screws to put it together. I've got, I don't know if you can see it up in there, there's a pulley attached to that. Let me see if I can get around it. That string's kind of blocking it. Anyway, you pull this string here. Oh, I didn't untie my other rope. You pull that. See that gate in there? I can pull it shut to close that off so I can catch the rabbit if I need to. Then I pull this one here to open it back up. Them little pulleys, if I can zoom up on it, that's going to get too. Anyway, them little bitty pulleys, I carry 3 or 4 in my get home bag. The lid, then hook that wire, and it's a lot easier when I'm not don't have something in my hand. That's what I got, folks. Y'all stay safe and have a good day. Remember, everything's a resource.